So let's see how these sneak erasers work on the white rubber sole part of my shoes here. You can see these we travel full time in the RV, and these have been walking through a lot of dusty, dirty campgrounds and dusty roads and stuff like that. So we're gonna see about cleaning these up. This one looks like it's a little bit worse, so we'll work on that one right there and see how that turns out. They sent these to us so we could check them out and show you them, so that's what we're gonna do right now. They come in all these little individual pouches here, and they're pre-moistened, and you can actually soak them, you know, get some more moisture, put them in water again and get them even moister. But just pulling them out of there, I can feel it's damp already, and inside I can feel the dampness on the inner foil wrapper there. But you rub it with the white one, and then you clean the residue off with the orange side here. It'll wear away as you're using it. So we're going to give it a try here. I'm not going to moisten it anything extra yet, and just see how that works and stuff. But it does say if you moisten it, it might last longer. So we're just going to try right here and see what, whoa, can you see the difference already? Wow. Look at that. Well, that definitely is a sneak eraser. It just cleans that white area right up there. And you can see the bottom of the sponge is turning gray and dark there from where. And then you just kind of wipe it with the orange side to kind of clean up any residue there. Wow, look at that, looks way better already. And of course I haven't done the toe yet. The toe's still pretty scuffed up there, but look at that. Well, I'm impressed with that. That works. Probably have to do all my shoes. How about that? Let's see if we can get that spot off there. Yep, look at that. That spot went away. So, yeah, good stuff. I would definitely say that worked. Look at that one compared to like this one here. See, that one's still all not clean, and that one is clean. So, yeah, good stuff. Thanks for sending that to us so we could check it out. Good.